I'm gonna go through the application on how to complete the Amazon associate account. This is a affiliate account to where you can put on your websites to where if somebody click on it and purchase anything from Amazon, you get paid a percentage. So first you log on to your Amazon and go to your associates account and you just fill in the information. I'm gonna show you this instructions right here. I'm gonna leave it up for a few seconds so you can read it. But what I'm gonna put in my website, I'm gonna put my YouTube website. I'm gonna copy it and paste it into the screen. I'm gonna just hit add. And I'm gonna also put my mobile food truck, www.jharveysgrill.com. So I'm gonna just put that in there, that website. And I'm gonna eventually create another website that sell different things on Amazon. And I don't have no mobile app, so I'm gonna skip that one on the right and go to the next screen. And also read down here at the bottom, it say, are any of your websites or mobile apps listed above directly primary to children under 13? If so, you can't create this associates account. So hit no if it applies to you. Hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, I'm going to put this instructions right here. It says, what is your preferable associates store ID? And I'm going to type in some information here. As you can see, how to fix things. And down here, I'm going to just give a description, how to fix things, welding and certified welding inspection information. And just pick the topics you want. You see, I put automotive and education. And just click on the different types of Amazon items. You can click them all if you want. I'm going to just click a few of these. You just go through here and click the different links, select primary type and so forth. As you see, I filled out all that information and just type in this security thing. Hit next. And you got to put a phone number in here. And what they're going to do when you click the call me now, it's going to give you a verification code and they're going to call you right away. And you have to verify that code by punching in the number they give you. Once you do that, I'm going to just show you the agreements right here. And that's pretty much it. Hit finish and you're done. And you can set up your account information if you want your money direct deposited. So I'm going to just show you what it looks like when you do Amazon. So you see I typed in door lock. Just click that little link and do the shortening link and copy and paste that into your website. And that's all to it. I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.